Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back and thanks for joining me. Well, guess what? I've been painting. If you saw my previous video of my completely failed swipe, literally I told you guys I would scrape it and I did. And this is the result of that. So I figured, you know what? I'm already down here. I already have colors mixed. I'm going to try one more time, but use a few different colors because I already had the colors mixed anyway. So I said, what the heck, I'll give it a whirl. So this is why you see this mess and why I didn't bother to clean up. All right. So I have already laid down my house paint. If you want to know what I'm talking about, watch the previous video because I explain everything in there. Okay. In that video. So I'm going to try this one more time. And if I fail, I just may give up. But I don't want to give up because I said giving up is no good. So I will, I guess, keep trying. Do I have enough paint? I may not have enough paint for this. And I don't have, oh, it should be good. A little scrape here and there. So, you know, I really want to get it down. You know, I think I'm a little spoiled because I did my first swipe ever and it turned out really good. And so I thought, oh, this is easy. Bull. It's not. It's so not easy at all. So yeah. I will keep practicing and see if I can, you know, get it down. But I don't know. It's not easy, I'll tell you that. Everyone who does, you know, their pours and their paints and all, you know, their art, everyone is good at something. So my niche is the Dutch pour. You know, Erica Hughes, she does a bunch of stuff, but I think her really cool thing is the swipes. You know, I can go on, but Arinska, again, Dutch pour. Molly from Molly's Artistry, she's really, really good at the tree ring pours and the colander pour. So everybody's good at something, right? Some people are good at everything. And if you're one of those people, hands down to you, because not everybody can do every technique that is out there. And some people don't want to either, right? Like, I mean, I've got the bloom technique down pretty good. And some people don't like it. Oh, I guess I should tell you those colors. So the first one was Amsterdam's, sorry, there's a notification saying battery low. Hope my battery doesn't die. Anywho, this was Green Blue by Amsterdam. This was Green Blue by Amsterdam. The next color was Snapdragon. The yellow, which actually looks orange, is Mango Mamba, okay? Mango Mamba. And that was the yellow, which looks orange. And then the last one was Cranberry by Primary Elements. Okay, that looks like a mess. That's okay. If you want to purchase Primary Elements pigments or anything off the ColourArte website, you can do so and get a discount by using my discount code, which is Kanella 120. So you could buy anything off the website and get 20% off. So Kanella 120, I will link that in the description below in the video. And then that way you could just click on the link, go shopping, use code Kanella 120 and save yourself 20% off. Okay, here goes nothing. Let's try this again for the second time. And please cross your fingers for me because I don't want to scrape this again. All right. Maybe second time is a charm. I hope. And one more over here. Colors are pretty though. I like it. All right, let me flip it around. I got paint everywhere now, of course. Okay, let's go this way. I'm running out of places to scrape my lowly Veffy scraper. All right. That was a good one. That's funny. What a mess everywhere. Like, seriously. I figured, why bother clean up before my next video when I know it's going to be another big mess? So, shoot. Why bother, right? I let go. Again, I let go. Oh, don't let go. Okay. This is colorful. All right. Oh my God, what a mess. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, that's really cool. And this side has like cell mania going on. Let's stretch her out and see what, if anything, will happen. I really like the bottom colors. Those are actually really cool. You know, I wonder what would happen if I just swiped without using that white center and just swiped the colors. I think it would look pretty neat, like the bottom of this, right? That would look pretty cool. But I don't think it's moving too much. I can't believe the first swipe I ever did turned out so perfectly. And I thought, oh yeah, this is easy. And now I can't even get one to work. Not in the previous video and clearly not in this video. I don't even know if I'm going to put this up on YouTube now that I'm thinking about it. But if you're watching it, clearly I did. Like, I mean, the colors are stunning. Very, very pretty colors. Look at the ColourArte shimmer. Look at that. So, my apron. Look at my apron. Oh, you can't look at my apron. Can you? Look at that. Good thing I have a good apron. All right, so looks like I'm failing again. Again. I think I'm going to do a Dutch pour next just to redeem myself. Goodness. Seriously. I'm not impressed at all. I'm just going to mess with it. Yep, I am. I'm just going to mess around with it. I'm going to put it right there. And if I had Jeopardy music, you know, the ending, while they're writing their answers to their questions, I'd insert it right now. But I don't, and I can't. But she ain't going anywhere. All right, guys, epic fail number 2. So clearly that did not work out, and I'm clearly not happy with that. So it looks like a muddy mess. So it's playtime. I wonder what would happen if I just played around. Oh, guys, now I'm just playing because I have gloves on and I can. Ooh, that's pretty actually. What have we got here? Actually feels really nice on my fingers too. Huh. Guess what? It's now abstract. We are now doing abstract painting, everybody. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Abstract Paint by Kanella Ciraco. Wow, this is actually really pretty. I'm not kidding. I just want to fix this part, but I don't want to ruin that beautiful blue part. But I'm going to have to now. Look at this. Look how pretty. All right, I'm sure I've lost most of you. I'm sure a lot of people have already stopped watching. But whatever, I'm just playing. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'm sorry it didn't turn out, and I'm sorry it just is a colossal mess. I will be back with a Dutch pour because clearly this is not working out for me, and this is fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, even though this is a colossal flipping mess. But subscribe to my channel. I promise there's some good content out there. This is actually really fun. This is very therapeutic. So hit that notification bell. And I think that's it, really. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me fail. I'll be back with a Dutch pour, and I promise that one will be a winner, or at least I hope. So take care. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.